I'll try. I'm going to give it a try here. I'm plugged in, so I can't keep it sturdy too well. Hi. I'm getting flooded with messages right now, so I thought I would go live, and hopefully you guys will catch me here. Who am I seeing? I'm seeing people. Hi, you guys. Hi, Michelle. Hi, Catherine. How are you guys doing this morning? I got hit with just the most amazing window this morning, like you don't already know. Thank you for giving me someone to talk to. How are you guys doing? Hey, sugar. Thank you. Susanna, good morning, honey. Hi, Beverly. If you guys have any questions, please ask. Like I said, my messengers, because I had a window this morning, and I guess there are a lot of questions about windows or whatever. If I can answer anything. Yeah, Catherine says, I'm okay, just very tired. This is the craziest tired. Like, because you can't sleep, right? I'm sleeping more. I'm getting a lot more. The weird sleep, though, I've never slept like this in my life. A bomb could go off and I wouldn't wake. It's really... I used to hear every little noise, and now I'm just, like, gone. I guess that's good sleep. Any sleep's good sleep, right? Oh, thank you. Michelle says, I'm so happy for you. Oh, Michelle says she's doing horrible, but I don't want to... honey, I'm not having a parade. I can show you my legs right now. I understand. It's just life right now. You're not raining on anybody's parade. That's why I'm here. Okay? You listen to me all the time. No raining on the parade. We're just kind of marching in the same parade right now, right? Susanna says she's very tired too. Catherine says, deep fatigue, but can't fall asleep. Yeah, it's awful. Awful. Hi, Miss Nikki. How are the babies? Hi, sweetie. Berta, good morning, sweetheart. Did you see all my craziness this morning? You're going to be doing that soon. Your dad's going to be wondering what the heck. You're going to be dancing with the nutcrackers. You watch. I never thought I'd get this far, honey. I swear to you. I've been telling you guys for years to believe you can heal, even when I wasn't believing it myself. But I was told to refuse to believe anything different, so that's what I did. Tell yourself you're going to heal and believe it. This needs to hear it. We're rewiring. We're teaching our brain right now, so teach it. Let it know this isn't forever. Oh, Nikki, you will sleep again. Sweetie, you will sleep again. I know the feeling. I swear. You know you've been watching me. Baby, I'm sleeping now. You will too. Hang on. Just hang on. Hi, Nina. Nikki says, my brain feels like it's hard and a million energy. It's had a million, yes. Well, yeah. Yeah. It's running 1,000,000 miles an hour, right? Mine's slowing down. I can, actually watch a full movie now without having to, pause it or rewind it or walk away or get up and pace around. It's starting to happen. I'll be at 5 years on the 23rd. Berta says, I need a voice in my ear at all times. I know, sweetheart. That's why I've been talking so much. I wish I don't know what to say to you guys. Tell me what to say. I'll say it. Hi, Kristen. How are you doing this morning? Not sleeping's scary, but you're going to be okay. It's the weirdest thing. I've read about it. We are getting some sort of sleep. We just don't know it. It's like a microburst. But, yeah. Any more questions, you guys? I talk all the time. I just wanted to come on here and hopefully give you some comfort. Get my boys. Berta said stay on. What would you like me to talk about, baby? Are you at least rinsing your teeth every day? Now I'm going to go into the mother mode. Get coconut oil and at least do a rinse. Okay? I know they hurt. Mine were killing me. They look awful now, too. I got to get to a dentist, but I'm not going to be doing that till I have to. Berta says, wish I could explain what I feel. Michelle, you look so healthy with the weight you gained. I wish I could gain. I eat like a pig. You will, Michelle. I'm actually kind of getting worried. Like my arms are starting to get kind of, It's wonderful. You will start to gain weight. Your body will start, it'll start to catch up. Did you change your diet at all? That really helped me. I try to be real careful what I put in. It's not perfect. Can't afford perfect. Let's see, Catherine, thank you for reminding me that I will heal, and I have to keep telling myself that. That is one of the most important tools I have through this. It's going to believe whatever you tell it. It's like a child right now. No, I don't believe we're two people. It's not like that, but careful what you tell it. That's another reason, unless, like when I have symptoms, thank you, Nikki. Nikki said I look amazing. When I have symptoms, then I'll look them up. I don't look at stuff I don't have yet. I won't even go there. And I've been like that from the beginning. You know, people get upset with me for not talking about the fluoroquinolones more and the dystonia and stuff. I couldn't tell my brain that this could happen to me. It was like giving it a suggestion. Please be very careful. Very careful what you tell this, okay? Michelle says, yeah, it's the hard part. My brain tells me I'm going to die. Oh, yeah, mine's still doing the same thing. Oh, my, you wouldn't believe the images I have going on all the time. Just keep telling yourself, no, I don't want that. I don't want that. That's not okay. Don't think that. You know? It's almost like you're split in two. Now I'm going to sound like a nut. Seriously, we have this other side of us that's just all negative. And the positive side is what we need to feed the most. Even if you don't believe it, read it, listen to it. Stay away from all that negative crap. We're creating a new being here. I am, and I want her to be okay. Let's see. Having busy day at work. I'm in the process of tapering my, oh my gosh, my daughter off, Lamictal, and she has started to have more trouble sleeping. Well, falling asleep as well as staying asleep. That, oh shoot, gosh darn it, that, I lost it. Dang it. Now look, this is what I hate about this. I'll send all your messages come in all at once. Hi, Maureen. Hi, sweetie. Nikki says we are all victims of... Yes, we are. Please read her comment. Yes, we are. Hi, Mr. Leonard. Keep amygdala down. Keep the amygdala... What? Michelle, my only distraction in these stupid... Yes, I know. You know, I have a lot of... I'm really... If I could ever get painting and crafting again, I have what I need here. It's just my body. I can't... You know, like when you read a book, you want to curl up into it. It's an emotion. It's a space. And this space is like, gnarly. I've done some very scary paintings, but I didn't share them with anybody. I don't want to feed that. I don't want to feed it. My only let's see, Leonard. Oh, okay, here we go. You. Oh, Kristen, thank you. She said, I've come so far. She's so proud of me. I didn't have a choice. Do we have a choice? But thank you. I'm proud of you guys, too. This is no joke. I know what kind of hell you're going through. What do you mean by that, Leonard? Explain. What? I'm kind of dense sometimes. Oh, Berta, why does my brain keep wanting to feed the fear and the bad things? Because this caused us to go into fight or flight. We're stuck in fight or flight. Survival. So our senses are like on high alert. It's about survival. It's not about laughing and having a good time. It's about making sure you survive it. That's why. But just keep comforting it. You know, try to remember what your world was like before you got hurt. And remind yourself, you know, whoops. Did I lose everyone? Good morning, Jerry. Hi, sweetheart. Jerry painting. I didn't share them with anybody. I don't want to feed that. I don't want to feed it. My only let's see, Leonard. Oh, okay, here we go. You. Oh, Kristen, thank you. She said, I've come so far. She's so proud of me. I didn't have a choice. Do we have a choice? But thank you. I'm proud of you guys, too. This is no joke. I know what kind of hell you're going through. What do you mean by that, Leonard? Explain. What? I'm kind of dense sometimes. Oh, Berta, why does my brain keep wanting to feed the fear and the bad things? Because this caused us to go into fight or flight. We're stuck in fight or flight. Survival. So our senses are like on high alert. It's about survival. It's not about laughing and having a good time. It's about making sure you survive it. That's why. But just keep comforting it. You know, try to remember what your world was like before you got hurt. And remind yourself, you know, whoops. Did I lose everyone? Good morning, Jerry. Hi, sweetheart. The Fear Center, yes. Yes. Again, I feel like I was a little kid when I turned that corner. Like everything was frightening and exciting, and you know, be gentle with yourselves. We're growing. we're growing up. We're healing. We're replacing old memories with new memories. I know it hurts. And it sucks. And we didn't sign up for this. I know. I'm seeing you here. Let's see. Sorry about your daughter. I lost mine 5. What? Oh, honey, no, I don't want to lose this. Hold on. I lost my 5-year-old son, Michelle. Sorry. Oh, wow. There are a lot of us on here that have lost their babies. So sorry. We'll get through this. We'll get through this. Thank you for sharing that with me. It's not fair. But you know, that's life. Right? It's not personal. That's what my dad used to always say. It's not personal. It's just the way it is. Let's see, Berta said, I was mold on my toothbrush last night. That went away. This is Sam. Maybe you're telling me you threw your toothbrush away because of mold. I use coconut oil. I can use a soft brush now, but during the worst of this, I was using what they call, you use coconut oil in warm water, and you do a rinse. You don't swallow it. You swish it around for, as long as you can handle it. Short at first, and then, when you want to spit it out, you don't ever want to swallow it. But it's really kept, the... I don't even know what to say. I don't want to say anymore because I don't want to jinx myself. My teeth are a mess. But, our bodies start eating us alive. So I guess I'm lucky I have any teeth left at all. You're going to be all right, honey. You guys, you're going to be all right. We just got... Yeah. The waiting and the pain and the yuck. Stay positive as we can. I got to dance this morning. Come on. I'm waiting for... Nobody really... I do have some mold in my house, but it's kind of like a pink mold. It's in the laundry area and in the master shower. I use OxyClean. People ask me, Kristen, people ask me how we handle what we are going through, and I say, I don't have a choice. We don't have a choice. I don't know. This hurts. It hurts. My stomach's been real upset since all this stuff went down. Thank you, Berta. I think you're pretty dang amazing, too. I can't wait to see you start to get better. You're a good lady, honey. Actually, everybody on here is. I've been really blessed with some really good friends. And I love it when you talk to each other. I don't have to worry about my page hardly at all. It's so cool. I don't have many followers anymore, but that was on purpose. Thank you for helping me save my life, you guys, and for letting me talk to you and making me feel like I matter. And yeah, oh, Seaberta, you're helping me. You have a purpose. Gotta make it, baby. We gotta make it for our kids. Even though they don't like me anymore, I still have to make it. Nikki said, my dear son felt pressure to have the vaccine. He's, oh no, I can't say this out loud. Please read Nikki's comments. I'm praying, sweetheart. We are all going to start praying, okay? Please read Nikki's comments. Wow. Honey, I'm so sorry. Michelle says, love Berta too. I know you don't know how to help him, but you do know how to help him. Same thing you would do for yourself, sweetheart. I don't know much about that. I don't know if there's a cure for it. Let me know if I can help. I'm trying not to cry here, okay? You stay strong. You are one kick-ass mother. You guys are going to get through this. You will get through this. There are a lot of people that love you, okay? God's got you. I'm sorry I preached so much. Hi, Linda. Berta says she loves all you girls. Catherine says prayers. Christine, hi, honey. We're all going through some really gnarly stuff. Outside stuff. Not just this. Hi, Elle. Did you see my attempt this morning? If you guys want to watch somebody dance, go watch her. She's incredible about being positive and sending a positive message. It's very spiritual, you know. I don't know what you guys believe that way. I'm still trying to figure it all out. But I know I'm not alone. Preach, Elle says, preach. Oh, what's going on with you right now? Okay, well, here's my leg. My stomach's really, really upset. I can't seem to keep food down. TMI, I guess. I've got vertigo really bad. I got to dance this morning. I'm all over the place emotionally. I'm just as happy as I am sad. This is just crazy stuff. I love the rainbow and the sun and the unicorn, Ellie. I'm in a lot of pain all the time. And that's my girlfriend in Arizona. I'm so lucky to have her. I should probably call her back because she's probably on her way to work. Hey, if you guys have any questions, don't. Dance is healing. People love me or hate me. Ha. Me too, honey. That's why I stay on my page mostly, YouTube, stuff like that. If they get offended, they came on my page and they get offended, they volunteered, right? Christine says, I'm very emotional. Another night, not enough sleep. I know it's hard, baby. Try not to focus on that. Get in a bath. Listen to some music. This has been the hardest part for me is acceptance. I know I'm moving around a lot. Accepting fighting all of this. You know, you spend so much time fighting it, and it's not going anywhere. Accepting it and working with it helps. Yeah, we're not sleeping. What can we do to soothe ourselves through this, you know? I hope to God you're not having to work. You know, I'm not lucky. I'm fortunate I had this situation here as screwed up as it was. I mean, honest to God, I don't want to go there, but if I hadn't been in this bubble, I don't know if I'd made it. Honestly. And as soon as I quit fighting this and just started working with it, like, you know, oh God, here it comes again. What can I do? Start breathing, take a bath, drink the tea, take your medicine, go for a walk, you know, change the lighting, change the environment. Make sure you fed your body well, drink water, take care of your teeth. Take care of your teeth. Oh, good, Christine, you're on disability. See, I'm still trying to get it. State of California, man. Most of the people that are on disability are just fine. But the ones that need it can't get it. Sorry. I can't figure out how to change anything, dear. I know, sweetie. You just gotta breathe. I can't get my laundry under control. There's so many things that still are really weird. Like, I gave up. I was making myself crazy. I don't even need clean clothes. I never go anywhere. Need one outfit. There, problem solved. It'll start to change. This morning I woke up and I didn't even realize that the vertigo had left. When I ran across this living room, I was angry, and all of a sudden I just ran across the living room. Yeah. It starts to lift in tiny little pieces. You won't even notice it. Like, I can't tell you when my vertigo left. It was just gone one day. Sometimes it returns, but not like it was. It's doable. Hi, Jolene. Elle says she doesn't have to work. Hubby works from home. Oh my gosh, that's wonderful, honey. I hope you like him. I know you do. I know he's a good man. I'm sorry. Yeah, Berta, you just spin in circles, sweetie. Try to make the circle as comfortable as you can. She's saying, what about severe cognitive impairment? My gosh. I know where you are. A lot of us do, Berta. We were there, honey. It's terrifying. It is terrifying. I hope your brain can hear me right now. You're healing. You don't need to be as scared as you are right now. You're going to be okay. Your family loves you. They're just waiting for you. I know your story. The pain is healing. I know it's terrifying. But you will get better. This will get easier. It will start to happen. You could wake up tomorrow and it could be gone. It could be all gone. I can't make promises on full healing. I can't do math anymore. There's a lot of things that are still really funky, but I can promise from what I've experienced here, because I've been talking to you, baby. There's a few of you. You're healing. You're going to get better. Start talking to some of these people that are messaging under here right now. Support each other through this. Don't listen to that negative stuff. It's fight or flight. It's part of the injury. You're still in the same world you were in before you got hurt. It just doesn't feel the same right now. I hope that helps. Talk to Elle. She's amazing. Amazing lady. Elle's saying it's going to be okay. Healing isn't linear. Don't believe the bad days. Which is almost every day, I know. But don't believe it. You saw what I did this morning. I know I look like a nut, but do I look happier? Berta, I love you. I love all you guys. Hi, Christine. I saw you pop on for a minute. I'm going to have 5 years on the 23rd. And I'm hoping for a miracle that day. Fear is a liar pants, liar pants, liar pants. Oh, hell. Tell it no. I'm stubborn, man. That stuff pops up in my head and I start battling with it. And I know I look like a nut. But, you know, go away. I don't want to hear it. That's not true. You know? Love yourself through this, baby. Expect miracles. Like I said, talk to Elle. I love you, sweetheart. You gave me permission to dance. Thank you. I'm going to get off of here now, you guys. Talk to each other, okay? My legs are just frying. Ah. I'm going to go take a bath. Prayer windows, warriors. They're on the way. I just can't tell you when.
Sorry for the delay. This was the best I can do.